This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. And look, little Petey's here already. Little Petey's here. Little Petey and friends. Look at them. Oh, they're so cute. Okay, we'll see if Petey's brave enough. Something going on at the church. I see. Here's Charlie's stuff. Yeah. We'll put some stuff on the car. And let's see if Petey comes down. I don't see anybody here. Oh, I have some chicken for Charlie. Let's see if he wants to take any of that. See, we have a little chicken. Here's some sausage. There we go. And some chicken. Maybe he wants some chicken. Put that out there for him. Okay. There we go. Ryan says he might want something different. So I put some chicken out there for him. We'll see. We'll see how he reacts. Our crows are very quiet today. Nobody on the shopping center. You see that? Not even on the ramp. Not one crow. We'll see what happens. Well, there's a little duck. That could be Luca. That could be Luca coming in there. Oh yeah, Luca just landed. Luca just landed. Yeah, it's strange, huh? All the birds, crows are, none of them on the Hayfley building. Also very strange. There just aren't any crows over there anymore. I'd like to know what's happening over there. Probably something to do with that, sir. That could be Charlie there. Charlie. Charlie. Come, Charlie. That's Charlie right there. Come, Charlie. You push the other bird. Come, Charlie. Come, Charlie, come. Come, Charlie. Come, baby. Come, Charlie. Charlie, come. Charlie. Come, Charlie. Come, Charlie. Come, baby. That's a good boy. Look, I put some chicken out for you today. Hmm? You want chicken? No? Okay, sausage. Hi, Charlie. Hi, baby. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, baby. What you doing, huh? Oh, there's people there. Look. Okay. Brought you a little chicken, but you're still going after that sausage. Hi, Johnny. Hmm? Is you a good boy? Are you a good boy? Yeah, is you a good boy? Is you a good boy, Charlie? Is a good boy. Yeah. You're beautiful, Charlie. Beautiful Charlie. Hmm? Here, honey. Don't you want any chicken? Here, Charlie. Come, sweetheart. Come. Here. Nuts. Here you go. Oh, you want egg? Hold on. You want egg, Charlie? Look. Yeah, egg. Here. Look, Charlie. Charlie, look. Charlie, come. Here, Charlie. Here you go. Here you go, Charlie. Go ahead. Go ahead, Charlie. Go ahead, baby. Here's got your egg. Oh, he wants egg. Okay, good boy. Good boy, Charlie. Good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Hmm? Are you okay? You okay, Charlie? Hmm? Are you okay? You okay, baby? Mama backed up a little bit, huh? Hmm? Are you okay? You okay, Charlie? There's a sausage here. You not hungry? And this here? There you go. Alright. I don't know what's going on with Charlie. It's very strange behavior. Well, we'll keep this here. Now I'm not sure he's going to come down anymore. He didn't want the chicken. That he didn't want. So, yeah. Here comes our crows. Okay. Let's put some other nuts here. Let's see if he wants some walnuts. Okay. He wants some walnuts, and we'll put some of these in. See if he wants some of these. We'll give him a little choice here, right? Yeah. Today, this morning, he was also acting a bit strange. Well, we'll go put this out. I don't know. Here, Petey. Here, Petey. There you go. I don't know. Charlie seemed kind of upset or afraid, or I have no idea. He didn't seem to want any of the food. I put the egg, so he did take some egg. Then he took some sausage when I gave it to him. Somehow he didn't want to go through his pile. It's very strange. I don't know. Charlie seems a bit overwhelmed. Okay? I guess the change started yesterday. He wasn't quite right. And today's, I don't know. Never quite seen Charlie like that before. Could be he's just tired. Or something happened at the nest. That could also be the case. That could also be the case. We don't know. Got a little bit warmer. Hawks here today. Now we have some crows lining up here. And some peanuts in the shell. We've got our walnuts here. Maybe something wrong at the nest. Maybe there's something wrong at the nest. We don't know. I'll put this food out here. We'll go down this way today. Our eggs, some grain balls, a whole bag of shelled peanuts. Some seed, some dinkel, some wheat, some muesli. I'll keep this in your pocket. I don't know. I don't know what to say. Even Seymour, no one's coming down here. It could be the janitor did something very awful. And poor Charlie has been traumatized by it, as all the birds you see here. Maybe Charlie doesn't like going up on the roof anymore. Let's put a little food out here. I don't think that's Charlie, but got the hawk right there. Throw something down here to this bird. Okay? See if he comes down or not. He knows where the food is. There's our crows lining up. There's the hawk. There's Seymour.